New at 10, the State Department of Health says there are no cases of measles in Oklahoma, despite Bartlesville Public Schools announcing today a staff member was diagnosed with the viral infection.
Fox 23's Paris Rain joins us live in the newsroom after going up to Bartlesville to get reaction from parents. And Paris, the district's announcement did cause quite a scare.
That's right. There were a lot of emotions in Bartlesville today, especially for parents. The school district sent out an email this afternoon saying that a staff member at Wayside Elementary had a confirmed case of measles. Now, the health department says that's not the case.
Tuesday afternoon around 2 o'clock, Bartlesville Public Schools posted on Facebook that there was a measles case at Wayside Elementary. They sent all district parents an email and text saying, in quote, on Tuesday, 3/4/2025, a staff member who had been at Wayside Elementary the previous day was confirmed to have the measles. The custodians have completed a deep cleaning of surfaces and continue to retreat areas. But measles is airborne and extremely infectious. Most people have a low risk for contracting measles due to an effective vaccine. Sydney Carpenter lives near the school. Her kids don't go to Wayside, but says she was shocked when she heard the news.
I work with schools, and so I know now to know that it's going around our town is a little scary. It's a little intimidating. And I know that we're probably all going to be, just fine, but it's still a kind of a scary thing to be so close to home.
Just more than 3 hours later, the Oklahoma State Department of Health posted, despite today's report, there has not yet been a confirmed case of measles in Oklahoma. They clarified with Fox 23 that the staff member tested positive for measles antibodies, but does not currently have the disease. With many people now talking about measles, I decided to reach out to Dr. John Schumann, an executive medical director at Oak Street Health, to learn how much of a risk a confirmed case would be.
I mean, it can spread pretty rapidly, but the thing is, if the other children in the school are vaccinated, they're not really going to be at risk. But if there are other kids in that school that haven't been vaccinated, they're going to be at high risk for catching measles. So if I were a parent and had my kid in that school and I knew there was an active case of measles, I'd be kind of worried.
He says in 25 years, he has never seen a case, but it can cause severe things to happen in the body.
It can cause encephalitis, which is an inflammation around the brain. I mean, that's why measles is very dangerous. Kids can die from measles, which is terrible outcome. Even if they don't die, they can have like permanent brain damage. So this is an avoidable disease that it saddens me, truly saddens me that people wouldn't get vaccinated for this.
Again, the health department says there are no confirmed cases of measles in Oklahoma. We've got a link to measles facts and FAQs from the health department in this story on fox23.com. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.